all that time period. It's my white whale, and I'm Ahab.
Sightings are on the rise, and ScoMo sees an opportunity.
If we can indeed attract a white shark, get it close to the boat, we've got the gear to put a satellite tag in it. The way the tag works is you put it on the shark, and it collects depth information, temperature information, and light level data. And then at a time programmed by me, where I actually tell the tag when to do this, it comes off the shark, floats to the surface, and transmits all those data to a satellite. Then I can retrospectively recreate what that shark did during that time period. I'm very excited about this. If we get a satellite tag and a white shark, I'm gonna go nuts.
The tag data will allow them to track where the sharks go and may reveal their hunting patterns.
Largest white shark I've ever seen was about 19 feet long and 3,000 pounds, landed by a fisherman in Montauk, New York. That was in the early 80s, and that was at a time when you could go out and kill white sharks. It's a phenomenal animal to see. The length is one thing, the girth blows your mind. I'll jump on first, Johnny. Hey guys, how we doing?
Good. How you guys doing today?
We are fine.
Beautiful. You ready to rock?
Fine and fired up. You gonna put us on some fish today,
We're gonna try. We're gonna try like.